So, the coolest star I know is probably Betelgeuse. It's this huge red supergiant, and, get this, if you swapped it with our sun, it would reach all the way out to Jupiter. Seriously, this thing is massive and super unstable, like it's about to blow any minute. It's not just some random explosion but a huge supernova that could really shake things up, even in ways we can't see. Betelgeuse is way bigger than our sun. Brian Cox and other star experts think it could go supernova pretty soon. People are getting curious about when it might happen, especially since the James Webb Telescope keeps snapping wild photos of it. So, when is Betelgeuse going to explode, and how big of a deal will it be for us on Earth? Let's talk about this star in the Orion constellation. It's so bright that even ancient civilizations noticed it. Betelgeuse hangs out on Orion's eastern shoulder, that's why it's named as such. It's one of the brightest stars you can see at night, plus it has this weird red color that could mean trouble. People have been watching Betelgeuse for ages. Some Greek astronomers saw it a long time ago and noticed it looked reddish-orange, which was a bit worrying. Lately, scientists have been checking it out closely and have a better idea of why it's so bright. For one, it changes brightness a lot. Betelgeuse is a variable star, meaning it gets brighter and dimmer all the time. Back in 2019, scientists saw it behaving strangely. It dimmed way down, and they were scratching their heads trying to figure out why. They think Betelgeuse could blow any second as a supernova. Brian Cox, the science expert, agrees, and that's coming from someone reputable. He even compared it to a ticking time bomb. The James Webb Telescope has pretty much backed this up. But with all this, people have tons of questions about why Betelgeuse is acting so weird. Even with all the new info, no one knows exactly when it's going to explode. The fact that it's almost twice as big as the sun backs up this theory. What gets weird is that scientists are using all sorts of tools like the James Webb Telescope to try and get to the bottom of this. They have spotted some strange light coming from the star, and it also has bright and dim phases, kind of like sunspots, but faster. In February 2021, it got super dim, right after a big dimming event. Scientists got worried that it was close to the end of its life. But after this major dimming, Betelgeuse got brighter again, which totally threw everyone off. One physicist said it was now way brighter than usual, making it one of the brightest stars in the sky. Scientists were seeing this red glow, and nobody knew what was going on. Theories popped up about why Betelgeuse dimmed so much. Not every star glows red like Betelgeuse does. This red color marks it as a red supergiant, which is the last step before a star dies. It's red because it's cooler than the sun. Even though it's cooler, it's so big and about to explode that scientists are still watching. Brian Cox is wondering if this dimming really means it's going to go supernova. Since Betelgeuse is already a red supergiant, it's definitely getting old. Stars usually dim when they die, and scientists can tell when it's happening. Still, Betelgeuse has been acting so weird that they're keeping a super close eye on it. Telescopes everywhere are watching it, trying to figure out what's going on. Things are getting interesting because scientists still don't fully understand Betelgeuse. They're using all the latest technology to watch it closely. The James Webb Telescope has been a game changer, capturing images of the star. It can also detect light waves and frequencies that are invisible to the human eye. Scientists saw dust clouds that look like leaves forming around the star. Strange, but cool. Even though Betelgeuse is dying, scientists are still waiting for it to blow. No one knows when it'll happen, but they think it could still shine for another decade. Still, who knows with all its wild behavior? For now, scientists don't think it'll explode soon. If it does, it'll be the first supernova anyone has seen since 1604. They're still trying to figure out why it's acting so crazy. When Betelgeuse finally explodes, it'll be amazing. It'll shoot out a ton of energy and be brighter than the entire galaxy, for a bit. You'll be able to see it from Earth, as bright as the full moon. Even though it'll be an insane show, it won't hurt us because Betelgeuse is super far away. Its explosion will give scientists a chance to study how big stars die and what happens when they blow up. Betelgeuse's death isn't just a science thing, it's a reminder that the universe is huge and unpredictable. Stars like Betelgeuse help shape galaxies and fill space with elements that make new stars, planets, and even life. A star's death sends out material that helps form new celestial bodies. Scientists are still watching Betelgeuse, trying to guess what it'll do next. Every time they learn something new, the mystery deepens. Maybe we'll see one of the coolest shows in the sky when Betelgeuse goes boom. Until then, we can enjoy it as a reminder that nothing lasts forever.